All right, coming up on this, me and my Roku Quickie. Get me a flamethrower and a shot of tequila, because DAZN, I'm coming after you. Yeah. Okay, and welcome back to another Me and My Roku Quickie. I'm your host, Peter Clay. Welcome aboard. And like these videos, thumbs up them, subscribe, and they'll come right to you whenever I shoot them out. And I shoot them out. Now, whatever. Welcome on this special Me and My Roku Quickie here. I'll try and be quick about this because sometimes technology happens. And it's okay. All right. I know I want to go full flamethrower on someone and all that stuff, but you know what? Sometimes things just happen. This is going to happen to you probably, because if it happens to me, it can happen to you. So what's going on is I've been following the LIV tour, or the 54, because those are Roman numerals, but no one seems to pay attention to that. Everyone just kind of blows it by. But so I found out that they signed up with a service in the United States here, and they're going to be on DAZN, DAZN. And I thought, okay, that sounds familiar. I think I've heard of them before, so I decided to look it up, and I was like, I might try this for when the next tournament comes up, which is coming up very soon. And then I saw that they had some other things like darts and pool and boxing, which I don't care about anymore, but just something else to watch other than the golf. So, get a kitty cat here. Anyway, and so he's trying to keep me calm so that I don't go off the rails here. So what happened was I then decided, okay, I was looking first to see if I can get my Apple credits, because I got a plethora of them, and so I could use that. Well, I didn't see it right off the bat on their website, even using my Mac. But anyway, the point is that, but at least they had PayPal. So, okay, I'm going to sign up for this. I waited about a week. I procrastinated and put things off and all these other things. So I sign up, and I sign up with the PayPal, and I'm also trying to get a promotion and all that stuff. And boom, signed up, and I start watching the World Cup of Darts. 180, woohoo! So everything seems to be fine. It's like, great, good. I'll check back on that later, because it's only day one. And so then I watch some other things. Then I decide to come back to it, and it says, "Hi, Peter. So if would like to restart your subscription to watch?" And I'm like, "I just signed up. Hello, what's up?" And everything. So I tried different things, and it still says the same thing. So I go to my phone, and I get the app, and sure enough, it says the same thing. But now it will take my Apple credits now. I'm like, okay, well, maybe there was just a mistake. Okay, I'll try it again. All right, so I get my Apple credits, signed up, boom, watching 180, woo, more darts. All right, watch it for a while, okay. Then the little missus comes home, and so I got to talk to her for a while. Not the biggest darts fan and all that stuff, but she'll watch it sometimes, because some people got the mohawks and the different color and the fans and all that. And then I go back to it, and same thing. If you want to watch, you need to restart your subscription. And I'm like, what's going on? So I wait a day just to see, maybe there was just a code error or something like that. Maybe something went up the chain, and tech will take care of it. And same problem. And now I'm starting to get a little itchy, a little twitchy, and stuff. So first I tried the chat bot, and that didn't help me at all, but at least allowed me to then type in a thing. And then about half an hour later, I get an email from a tech saying, "Yeah, we see your account, but we don't see a payment to it." So I show them the screenshots of my receipts from PayPal and Apple, and they're like, "Yeah, I see that, but we don't see that." And this is, well, since you went through Apple, it could take 72 hours. And then that's what threw me, and I didn't say anything back, because I'm chatting at this time. I'm not getting involved. I'm not talking to anybody. And who knows where I'd be talking to somebody if I was. So I wasn't worried about it too bad. But that sometimes responses, if they don't gel with me, because I've been using Apple credits for years now, and I have never had to wait 72 hours. Not even for Peacock. Okay, just so we know. All right. So this goes on, long and short of it here, because this is a quickie video. 4 emails, okay, in various degrees, 4 different people each time. And all it took was me to hit my restore purchase on my iPhone. And it seemed to go. And then on the final email that says, we see you now. And I've been able to watch ever since. And it's been 5 days now. So the long and the short of it is, one, there's still a problem. What was the initial problem with the PayPal? Is there a coding error somewhere? Did we try and cut corners and all that stuff? And says, we don't really need this 50,000 lines of code. Let's get out of here. Oops. Anywho, but what if I wasn't me? You know, me and my Roku. What if I wasn't a podcaster and videos and all that stuff? What if I put on this video and I put out promo codes for everyone? I'd be spending my whole Saturday doing 200 emails, you know, of people saying, you're a scam artist. This code doesn't work. They want my payment again. It was a big deal. And thankfully, it worked out okay for me. But maybe just because it was me. What if I didn't have my iPhone and all this, and I was still trying to go through the Roku? What then? So is the problem still out there for DAZN? So anyway, the service itself is fine if you like niche sports and 3-on-3 basketball and darts and Red Bull and boxing and all that stuff. And we'll see this week then for the LIV 54 golf tournament, because they plucked 3 more players today. So anyway, first thing, keep calm. Technology happens. I'm not mad at them. Hopefully they're not mad at me and all that stuff. It's just trying to help each other out and all that stuff. This is to say, hey, something's wrong. And it's like, I see that, but I don't see anything. And I understand their problems too. But this doesn't happen to Netflix. Doesn't happen with Amazon. But it does. It happened to me last year also with Paramount Plus when I was trying to resubscribe. Again, it took about 4 emails to get up the ladder a little bit, and we finally figured something out. So sometimes it has something to do with iTunes. This time I started with PayPal, though. So anyway, keep calm. Do the best that you can. Give as much credible information that you can in plain English type of thing. It's simple and concise, and remain calm. I know in some of my emails, I might have sounded a little terse. I think the only thing that I was ever getting mad is like to a point was like, hey, look, we're not curing cancer here. If we can't get this to work, I'm just going to move on. I'm just going to pass. Now we got to work, and now I have 180. So anyway, things happen. Stay calm, and you can get there. All right. Thank you for watching this Me and My Roku Quickie. Hope I was quick enough. Anyway, thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget about the podcast, Me and My Roku, with me, your host, and check that out wherever you get your podcasts. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.